Alright, Chewy. I'm putting you in charge of the physical education program, which means you're gonna be teaching the yoga class. Oh, wow. Thanks, DDD. Yep, because nobody else here knows how to teach it. I guess you must be real happy now, Chewy. Now you can repay me by getting out of my office. Hi everybody, my name's Chewbacca. You can call me Chewy. I like stretching. I hope you like stretching too, because that's what we are going to do. Chewy, I have a question. If we're doing yoga, how many legs do you need to have? Everybody here needs 2 legs. Oh. Well, let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 4 more legs than everybody else. I can make them too. How? With a lot of pain. Uh-oh. Wow, Chewy, you got the students to fight. Good job, Chewy. Keep it up and their parents will pay me in no time.